Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get blue steel. First, understand that bluing is a chemical process that creates a protective, aesthetic finish. You'll need to gather specific safety gear and materials, including a bluing solution. Proper preparation of the steel surface is absolutely crucial for achieving a uniform and durable blue finish. Let's dive into the steps. A flawless blue finish begins with meticulous surface preparation. Start by thoroughly degreasing the steel to remove all oils and contaminants. Next, carefully remove any rust or existing finishes using appropriate abrasive tools. Finally, polish the steel to the desired smoothness. A finer polish generally results in a deeper, more reflective blue. With your steel prepared, it's time for the bluing process. Gently heat the steel evenly to the temperature recommended by your bluing solution's instructions. Then, apply the bluing solution carefully and uniformly across the entire surface. Allow the solution to react for the specified duration, often requiring multiple thin coats to build up the desired color. After achieving your desired blue, rinse the steel thoroughly with clean water to stop the chemical reaction. It's important to neutralize any remaining bluing chemicals to prevent further etching. Finally, apply a generous coating of protective oil to the entire surface. This oil seals the finish and is essential for preventing rust and maintaining the blue steel's beauty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.